Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my laundry routine and also a few tips and tricks that I learned along the way. Hope you enjoy watching this video and hope you get inspired to do some laundry as well. The scent booster that I'm using is from Dollar Tree and it is absolutely worth it. And I'm using laundry detergent called Ariel. It is powdered and it is so good. It smells amazing and leaves your clothes clean, especially white clothes. It's going to be bright white. And in this case, I'm using Suavitel softener. I change my softeners every once in a while. From time to time, I like to switch it up a little bit. And if you're interested in trying Ariel, you can find it in Walmart, and I've seen it at Big Lots as well. I also don't use often dryer sheets. I have my dryer ball that I use all the time, but again, I like to switch it up once in a while. I love my dryer, but there are some clothes that I do not dry in the dryer. For example, in this load, that was my husband's swim trunks, then his rain jacket, and his gym bag. I like to leave them outside in the sun to air dry. Even if I'm careful separating the clothes beforehand, I always have to double check while I put it in a washer, because there's always that one little piece of clothing, different color, that gets sneaked in, and I really don't want it to mess up my white clothes. One trick that I learned is that when my dryer is done, I like to lay my clothes flat. So even if I don't have time to fold it right away, my clothes is not gonna get wrinkled. I've been watching you from a distance as I turn out all the lights. All I want from you is to listen and remember the good times. If you think of all that we leave out, is that weird you're feeling good? I know nothing ever turned out as you wanted to. I also realized that for my dryer is the best to be half full, otherwise I'm gonna have to repeat the cycle, and if it's too full, my clothes do get wrinkled. And anytime I can, I really like to fold my clothes and put away the same day I do the laundry. Again, that's not always possible, but my husband is doing a great job helping me with that. So recently we really started putting it away the same day. I just can't leave it be, and I don't really care what they say. It's all about you and me. But every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me all over again. Baby, you got me begging, please. You got me on repeat. You got me on repeat. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you got some laundry motivation. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also tell me in a comment section down below, do you have any tips or tricks to share with us when it comes to laundry? If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would really love for you to stick around, click that red subscribe button. I have a lot of good videos planned for the future. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you will enjoy the rest of the day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.